here we are again for another proposal review, except this time it's an email template, I believe, that someone sent me. Let's see. Yeah, it's a cold email pitch template. So this person has this cold email template to send to every prospect they get. So let's have a look at it, shall we? Okay, so it starts by saying, hi, agency's name. I like that you add the customization there. I would personally try to add the name of the person within that agency. If not, just say like agency team. For example, hi Microsoft team. But then you say, I'm a certified Google Ads professional and experienced media buyer. Hi Tristana. Specializing in digital marketing strategies. As a freelancer, I've worked with diverse clients in industries like finance, health, beauty, fashion, and e-commerce. I'm gonna stop here and say that I think it's lacking a hook. I know you're probably sick and tired of hearing me say this, but both clients on Upwork and whatever person you're trying to contact, you can bet they are getting a lot of emails, a lot of cold pitches every day. I know I get a lot of them. And I'm gonna let you know, I ignore 99.9% of them unless they obviously customize it and include, my correct name, not my Instagram username. And if they include something specific to prove that they know who I am and that they saw my content. Start with a hook and customize that hook for each specific person. So just like you have the agency name in brackets, I would add a brackets line below that just to fill it up with a hook for each person. And in that hook, you want to really speak to what problem you can solve for them. So in this case, you do Google Ads for finance, health, beauty, fashion, and e-commerce. Something as simple as let's get you more sales, more product sales with Google Ads, or have you tried Google Ads to increase your product sales? Or how are your Google Ads working? Like all that, it kind of introduces the topic without being me-centered, because you're starting the email saying, I'm a certified Google Ads professional, and no offense, but the person doesn't give a shit. Like, they don't care who you are. They care what you can do for them. If I read this sentence, I would immediately delete the email. So yeah, let's move on. Then you say, let's collaborate. Here's what I can bring to the table. And I know. She's playing with the cord of my mic. Expertise and flexibility. I can seamlessly integrate into your team, providing specialized supports tailored to your client's needs. ROI's focused approach. I prioritize maximizing ROI and improving ROIS by leveraging data-driven strategies and continuous optimization. Let's schedule a call or meeting to discuss how we can work together. Reach me at your email address or your phone number. Looking forward to collaborating. And now I'm realizing this is a screenshot from, I believe, WhatsApp. So this may be something you got sent and you're looking to improve upon. Hopefully, I don't know. I don't use a WhatsApp that often. That being said, here in this section, I think it can either be shortened or cut altogether. And if you're going to shorten it, add bullet points and separate this call to action. The let's schedule a call feels like part of the bullet point list when it shouldn't be, but I would cut it off and I would mention that like maybe in either the call or on a follow-up email. Because the thing is, and I've been learning a lot of this with UGC pitches, what you want to get from that first email you send, the first cold email, is you want to get a response. First of all, you want to get them to open the email. That's the first obstacle you gotta cross. And once you get them to open the email, you want them to essentially respond to your email. So you want something that's a low commitment for them and high interest for them. So in this case, you need to start with something that really interests them and that gets them to read the rest. and you want to end with something, not necessarily a call. I wouldn't add a call to action to schedule a call this early on. This is different from Upwork. On Upwork, you can ask for a call because you know the client is already looking for someone and they're kind of like a warm lead in that sense. But here, you don't know if they're actively looking and they didn't ask for it, you know? On Upwork, they asked to get proposals sent. Here, they didn't ask for it. To ask for them to book a 15-30 minute call with you, like, time is valuable. So instead of this, I would add something like, I have some ideas to improve your conversion rate or your Google ads or whatever it is. I have some ideas that could improve your ROI, something as simple as that. Would you be interested in hearing more? And that, like, tells them, I want to work with you. I have something in mind, even if you don't, because you can come up with the ideas later if they do respond. But you kind of tease them that way. You let them know, hey, I can help you. Do you want that? And it's a simple thing for them to say just yes, rather than booking a call with you. I'll try to, like, put on the screen the rework pitch as I'm talking about this, but essentially recapping: hi, name, hook, and then a little bit about you, but maybe I would rewrite this so it's a bit more, you know, kind of a one-liner, like, I do this for this kind of person to get X result. And then you can even say, I noticed you're not doing Google ads, or I noticed you have this Google ad going that doesn't seem super optimized, and I want to help. I have some ideas. Would you be interested? Yes or no? Looking forward to hearing from you. So that's what I would do in this case. It's kind of a complete rework, but getting inspired by this that you have submitted. Now, if you do want your proposal, your email pitch apparently, or even your upper profile, I'll make some exceptions for that. If you want those reviewed right here on the channel, I'll have the link down below to the Google form where you can submit them. You just send me the screenshot and I'll review it right here. Go check it out, submit yours. And in the meantime, check out the whole entire playlist so you can learn more about how to pitch to clients, and I'll see you there.